We out in Torrance, so of course we gotta visit the factory store. Haven't been here forever. One of the smaller stores in SoCal. You do got 30% off the back wall. Do see some backpacks. I'm pretty excited about that. Do got 30% off the back wall as well. So we'll start off the back wall. Starting with the smaller sizes, 8.5 right here. The mids that we've been seeing on sale everywhere. They want retail. At least you get the 30 off, but still more expensive than the retail shops. Do got the LeBron 4s. The graffitis going for $240. Size 13 Zions up top, $100. Another one of these SEs right here, $135. Material on these are so good. Jordan 6s. These are a Golf. These are low as well, 9.5, $230. Got some Gore-Tex Jordan 1s, $180. Air Max 90s right here, $150. These are Golf if I remember. Yeah, these are Golf. What are these? Some Take 1 5s. Are these some casual shoes? Or are these for hoops? I do see a zoom unit right there, so I guess it's a low top for hoops. Looks like you can wear these for casual. They're 9.5. These are $100. Next gen full box right here, 9.5. 9.5, and these are going for what? $135. $160 for the retro 13s right here. Jordan 7 white infrareds. What are these going for? What are these going for? $160? Yep, $160. Jordan 38s right here, $175. The golden bullets, $120. These are well under $100. Not too shabby. $120. Got some boots down here. The SFB 6-inch boots right here. Okay. These are like some nylon and suede up front. $110 for these. Got some Dunks right here with the gum bottom. These look pretty premium. Is this a Dunk premium? Leather's pretty decent. No. But $120. 10.5. Two lows right here. $100. Right above that. $130 for those. Jordan 1 low SE right here, $110. Air Max 97s right here, $140. Did we see these earlier? $120 for the 97s. Dunk lows, $100 for those. I've heard so many Dunk fans lately say, hey, they're only gonna get SBs now because the regular Dunks, the quality's just not there. I've been saying that forever. I'm like, I've been telling y'all. Do got 38s right here, $2 bills for those. Been seeing these at every outlet. I was just curious to see if they're on sale. Nah, $120, so slightly under 100. I feel like that's been the going rate. Jordan 2s right here. Why did they have so many 10.5s right now? $140 for those. Zoom Freak size 11, $45. $45, you get that extra 30 off. So what's that, a little over $30? And then you see this one. This one's marked differently. So yeah, you try to get it for $45. That's what you try to do. Then we got more of these. This is size 10. More of these as well. Take 1 2s. We've been seeing a lot of these lately. But yeah, $60. Infinity Run 4's price is going down. It looks like it's extended size price by $80. Then you get that 30 off as well. That might be cheaper than the clearance store. Holy cow. Invincible Run 3s. Invincible Run Flyknit 3s. Yeah, these look like they've been tried on or they've been returned. But yeah, $135. That gets it close to $100. Not really seeing much in the huge sizes. Like, I'm in the huge size section. I'm seeing a lot of size 10s and stuff like that. Do got these Air Max 1s right here. These are size 14. Got some green glows right here. What they go for? $2 bills, size 18. 18s right here going for $100. So that's what, 70 after discount. Size 13, one of these. Extended size price to $140. Let's check out the backpacks I've been telling y'all. Look for backpacks during the summer instead of waiting right before school starts. Got some Jordan camo ones right here. Camo's kind of a crazy color. $60, no extra discounts. Got these budget looking ones right here, $45. That's really high for that one. $49.99 for these, normally $65. Then tell me these are all budget ones. We used to see these for like 20 bucks and stuff. These are 45 right here, way too much. $30 for this one. That one's $40. This one's pretty nice. We've seen this Jordan one different places, different states even. I've seen this in different states. $60 for those right there and $30 for those. Not impressed, not impressed. And then this one says you can put a bottle right here. Like that's like the smallest bottle ever, dude. Put like one of those soda bottles in there, that's it. Like a really small one, 60 ounce. That's it. I need one for like huge bottles, dang it. Have been on a mission to get shorts for my kiddo. I didn't realize his short collection is really low like that. $65, you get an extra 30 off. For tech fleece, wow. That's actually really nice. This is $50, you get 30 off for those shorts. And this one's really nice. It's short though, it's really short, but has all the Nike logos and stuff on it. Nike Air logos. I don't know if you can see it on camera. $100. Definitely premium price tag. All these tech fleece in small going for $60. I think that's cheaper than the clearance store. Especially since the clearance store, you don't get that extra 30% off, and you do. You'd be here. Nike SB. Cargo pants, $85. God dang it. I did hang that up right there. I'm like, man, I'm trying to hurry up and stuff like that. I mean, $25 for these shorts. These are a little red for my kiddo, but that's hella cheap. If I remember, those shorts are from last season. That's why they are priced so low. $30 for these right here. These are large. These fleece ones are really comfy, but nothing my kiddo size. I need some mediums. Not really finding it today. Ooh, ACG right here. Oh, 115, of course. Checking the tops, seeing tech fleece right here, but not the big discounts. 145. Do get that 30 off, but not crazy. These are a small right here. This is a tech fleece hoodie, 120. So the tech fleece pants on sale, but none of the tops. 135 for that one. Dang it. Nike running, $41. Blue one right here, $48.99. These are normally $150. What? Poofy jacket right here. If you don't mind shopping off season, $175 though. So yeah, not worth it in my opinion. If you gotta hold something, man, it has to be hella cheap. And this is the thick hoodie right here, $91. Yeah, man. Not really seeing too much. The pants, those were hella cheap, but other than that, not really much. And then of course we do have to check out the aisles. And they got quite a few Jordans. They got the Jordan 12s that just released. And I haven't been here in a while. Someone did message me and showed me that they had this like a week after the release. Literally a week after the release, they did have these. They got a few sizes, up to size 16. Jordan 1 High OGs. The last two have been omnipresent pretty much at every outlet. Then we got the Jordan 1 Low OG. These have been very prevalent at the Nike outlets as well. And then do have a bunch of Team J's as usual. I don't even know the names of half of these, and y'all don't even care anyway, so we're just gonna go through them really quick. You can pause it if you see anything. Do got Jordan 12 Low. These are golf right here. And then got some Jordan 1 High Golf right there. Do got KD Trey 510s. Got a few of those. Immortality 2s right here. We've been seeing those. They've always been cheap, dude. And then do got the Witnesses. Witness 7s right here. Some of them, the outlets have Witness 8s. They got the Next Gens. They got the SB Alley-Oops. We've been seeing these at quite a few places. Got 4 different colorways of those. And then the Heritage Volks. We've been seeing that at quite a few locations. Got Terminators right here. And then do got Nike Flight Legacies. They're here. And then do got a couple of Huaraches right here. What colorway is this? Desert Oak right here. And we got white, pure platinum. Airspans. We've seen a plethora of these lately. Damn, I'm like throwing out words like I'm studying for the SAT or something. Air Max 2017s. Got a trio of these. Deep Royal. I believe I got one of these for like $60 at the outlet a while back. Be True Air Max 97s. Air Max 90s. Air Max 1 premiums right there. Vapor Max Plus. And then do got some more Jordans right here. And then do got these dunks right here as well. And their running shoes lately, they've been pretty whatever. Got some Vomeros right there. They got stuff, but nothing too impressive. Checking out the women's section, and this is why you always have to check out the women's section. Look at this. Look at this. Infinity Run 4 is $90. You get that extra 30 off. That's what, 63 bucks? $63 for Infinity Run 4s. These retail for what, 160 or something, so you're getting almost $100 off. You can tell the extended size price, so yeah, you always have to check the women's, man. Some people have said like the width doesn't work. For me, like I have wide feet and I've never had any issues when I'm wearing women's women's running shoes and stuff like that. I've never had any issues. Look at this Pegasus 30, what are these, 38s? Look at the price, $30. Obviously that's colorway's not gonna work for most people. Looking for like some Invincible Run 3s or something like that. Don't see any. Air Max 90s, $50. Mostly canvas, 50 bucks, hell of a deal. I don't know about that down there. Air Force One Shadows right here, $80. That was extended size priced. Air Max Thea's going for $50. Dude got some Shocks right here in the women's. This is a women's 10 right here, and this was Vince Carter's thing for a while, dude. I always thought these were the dopest shoes. I really did. I didn't have any because they were hella expensive back in the day. I was broke as hell. $150 for these. Because this 38 right here, $30, size 11. Getting more to the women's regular sizes. $110 for the size 9.5 women's. Size 9.5 again. Some dunks. Some dunks right here. 8.5. Got some dunks right here. Go for $120. Air Max 90s, just not very impressive. $130. Got Air Max 270s, still $160. Jordan 2s go for $80. Those are size 9.5. Women's section, they require me to do some work, man. I gotta dig. Got to dig. Not finding much though. Women's section, I feel like I've been seeing the same things over and over. Got blazers. Been seeing a ton of blazers in the women's. And then see Air Forces right here. These are the Air Force platforms. A couple of those. Premiums right here. And got regular Air Forces. Better leather though. It's like that really nice leather. I don't know about that colorway though. Do got the Air Max 2017s. Got some 270s. All black, all white. Then a hybrid of both. Then a bunch of generics. Not really seen too much, I'm not gonna lie. Even the running section got renews and stuff like that. Nothing too premium. And then wearing these again. I thought about it, I was like, when do I wear the same shoe in 1 month? It's rare that I wear the same shoe in 1 month. But yeah, wearing these Nike SB Dunk Lows. Do got the gum bottom. Pretty nice. I really like these. Like the way they look. Been clean. Been able to keep them clean. Got the DS lacing. I'm way too lazy to lace them up. I was like, dang it. Bossco did that recently too. I was like, you got DS lacing, you lazy bastard, just like me. And then if you did grow up in the 90s, I grew up in the 80s technically, but yeah, if you grew up in the 90s, no ma'am, you know what's up. You know what's up. That is from Married with Children. Man, just the funniest show ever. All right, I got 8 minutes left. My goal is always to get you guys a 20-minute video. I got 8 minutes left because I have to go meet up with some peoples. Let's look around the clothing and random stuff section over here. They do have a Nike Elite backpack. I saw this way early. There's no tag though. There's no tag. If I remember, these are normally like 80 bucks. The outlets usually have them for like 60. Let's see how much these go for. These are 30 right here. Kind of a budget backpack. These Jordan backpacks right here, pretty nice. My kiddo, he wants really big pockets on the side for his water bottles. 35, 70 down to 35. Has the fatter zippers and stuff. It's not bad, not bad. Got a random hodgepodge of things right here. It is 30% off. $26. Dang, just 26 bucks. Retail for the UCLA hats right there. At least you get 30% off. $10 for these. Are these wool? Oh, these are wool. Yeah, those keep you cold even when they get wet. So that's why fools that go camping and stuff like that, that's where they use those. And then what is this? A lanyard going for $10. I'll get that in a second. Got a little mini backpack. Mini backpack, $50 normally. $50 down to $35. Then you get that extra 30% off. Then do have these right here. I tell my kid to take this to a lot of places, like if he goes to like festivals or stuff like that. Normally 16 down to 15. At least you get that 30 off on top, so close to $10. Do have a ton of basketball shorts, all 30% off, $45 though. So not the cheapest, even with that 30 off, a little over $30. They got a lot of stuff going on, all the basketball shorts too. They got basketballs right here. I did check these out earlier. They're normally 30, so they're $20 if you need some balls. Do got jerseys right here. Got LeBron, older LeBron jerseys, number 6 jerseys, 30% off. I've been hearing so much chatter in my comments, social media, everywhere on whether LeBron should stay, whether he should leave, whether we should get a son, whether we shouldn't get a son. I don't know. I'm so lost. I don't know what to think. Think the Lakers need to get a coach. That's what they need first. I do got flight shirts right here. Got a bunch of different flight logos, $35. Got plenty of sizes. Do get 30% off, but only the jackets probably on the other side. No jackets on this side. What the hell? Bottoms only. Bottoms only. I still need to make a bar called bottoms only. $45 right here. So that brings out to what, 25 bucks, something like that? 25 bucks. That's not bad. That's not bad. These are pretty thick. What is this? University blue, powder blue, I don't know. $35. Do get that extra 30 off. Do got these shorts right here. I don't think my kiddo would like these too much. An additional 20% off. So it's not too bad. You do get 20% off. $45. That seems a little bit high. My bad. I thought it was lower. Because yeah, these are lower right here. These are only 25 bucks because I saw this tag earlier. So $45 for these, or $25 for these. Oh, and these black ones, these are 25 bucks too. Someone just didn't mark one of them. Then they always have golf apparel here because this is slightly bougier area. If you go south of here, hella bougie. But at $40, you get an extra 40 off. Got a ton of different colorways of some super bright polos. And they also have shorts. Got extra bougie looking shorts. $50. Pretty nice material. You get 40 off. That's actually not bad. Just not my style. And they got running gear right here. 30% off. 20% off of those. So $50 or $49, you get an extra 30 off. So that's what, 35 bucks? 35 bucks. Yeah, but I think we're done, you guys. I think we're done. Make sure you guys stay tuned. Help our boy out. Press that like button. And we're out, man. We're out.